Own experience with the best website builder, and after testing a huge number of platforms, I choose the most effective one. And I've been working with it for more than 7 years, and I earned more than $20,000 per month. Let me tell you 5 very useful secrets that few people know about, but which make it really the best in the category Best Website Builders. I'm going to leave the link to the official website below this video, so check it. Let's not waste time, and let's get started.
Zyro. I remember that day, sifting through countless website builders, hoping to find one that would resonate with my need for simplicity, without sacrificing functionality. Then I stumbled upon Zyro Sites, a newcomer in the vast realm of web builders. Curiosity piqued, I delved in. And here's my personal journey through its features. Navigating the dashboard was a breeze. Zyro had clearly put thought into its design with a minimalist, user-centric interface. For someone like me, who easily gets overwhelmed with too many bells and whistles, this was a breath of fresh air. The website creation process felt so natural and intuitive. No fluff, no unnecessary complexities. However, what genuinely piqued my intrigue were the AI-powered tools. I tested out the AI-driven content creation and was taken aback at how quickly tasks that used to take me hours were now done in mere minutes. And the AI heat map? A revelation. Predicting where my potential visitors would likely focus, I found myself making strategic design choices that I wouldn't have otherwise considered. The grid-based drag-and-drop feature was another standout. I've always been someone who values symmetry in design, and Zyro's grid system allowed me the flexibility of drag-and-drop while maintaining a cohesive design. It's as if they read my mind. Browsing through their template library, I was impressed. From blogs to e-commerce, they catered to various industries with modern, mobile-responsive designs. As someone who understands the mobile-first world we live in today, this was a big plus for me. Speaking of e-commerce, their capabilities in this space are robust. I toyed with the idea of setting up an online store, and Zyro seemed to have everything I'd need, from easy product listings to secure payment methods. Their integrated blogging tool was a sweet cherry on top. Perfect for someone like me who occasionally gets the itch to share a story or two. Now, I won't say everything was perfect. While Zyro is fantastic for someone like me, I could see how seasoned developers might find it a tad restrictive. And yes, being a young platform, there's room for growth in terms of app integrations and functionalities. So, if you've been on the hunt for a tool that seamlessly integrates form with function, Zyro Sites might just be what you've been missing. I know it was for me. Weebly imagines stumbling upon a tool that promises to effortlessly turn your abstract website ideas into reality, even if you're not a tech wizard. That's precisely what happened to me when I discovered Weebly, a platform that's revolutionized my online experience. Let me take you on my Weebly journey. It was a normal evening when a friend mentioned Weebly, piquing my interest. I thought, another website builder? What's the big deal? But then, I gave it a whirl, and boy, was I blown away. Right from the start, Weebly's drag-and-drop builder was a revelation. Gone were the days I'd fumble with complex codes. With Weebly, I simply picked elements, be it text, images, or videos, and just dragged them onto my pages. It felt like magic. The templates? They were nothing short of stunning. With a plethora of choices tailored for various needs, I found the perfect one that echoed my style. From blogs to portfolios, every template felt like a canvas waiting to be painted on. But here's the kicker. I'd always dreamt of starting an online store, but shuddered at the thought of the technicalities. Weebly came to the rescue with its e-commerce capabilities, listing products, ensuring secure checkouts, managing inventory, and even dealing with shipping. It was all there. I'm constantly on the move, so imagine my delight when I found out about Weebly's mobile app. Editing and managing my site during coffee breaks became my new norm. Exploring the Weebly App Center was like walking into a candy store. With an array of third-party apps, I could enhance my site's functionalities exactly how I wanted. Now, I'm no SEO expert, but Weebly's integrated SEO tools have given my site that much-needed visibility. Plus, with their hosting services, I never had to worry about the technicalities. And as for domains, whether I wanted to buy a new one or integrate an existing domain, Weebly had me covered. Having used it extensively, I'd say Weebly is incredibly user-friendly and offers unmatched flexibility. It's also super cost-effective. But like all things, it's not without its quirks. Advanced users might find certain areas a bit restrictive, and occasionally I wished I could tweak a template just a tad more outside its design. In a nutshell, for someone like me who wanted a robust online presence without the tech headaches, Weebly has been a godsend. It's got a few limitations, sure, but its sheer ease and comprehensive tools make it a treasure. If you're pondering over your next website builder, I'd say, give a shot. It might just become your favorite too. Wix. Have you ever stumbled across a tool that not only meets your expectations, but also feels like a magic wand in your hands? Sit tight as I unveil my personal expedition with Wix, a tool that transformed my digital journey. During a random exploration, I chanced upon Wix, a name resonating with millions globally. The appeal was evident, enabling users, irrespective of tech knowledge, to sculpt digital masterpieces. It didn't take me long to grasp the essence of Wix's charm. Its profound design flexibility, twinned with an almost telepathic drag-and-drop feature. Diving deep, I was enamored by Wix's drag-and-drop interface. It was liberating to maneuver elements, be it text, images, or videos, crafting layouts that mirrored my vision, all without touching a line of code. The array of templates was mind-boggling. Over 500 in number, each seemed to have been crafted with a distinct voice, catering to diverse industries. It felt like a wardrobe of designer dresses, each waiting for the right occasion. But the magic intensified with Wix ADI. Imagine a system intuitively crafting a site based on a casual chat. That's Wix ADI for you, simplifying web design to a delightful conversation. As a budding entrepreneur, Wix's e-commerce capabilities felt like striking gold, from showcasing products in all their glory to seamless payments and inventory management. I felt equipped to launch my digital storefront. The Wix app market was my next stop. It felt like stepping into a digital candy store, each app adding a unique flavor to my site. And with SEO whiz, my website wasn't just visually appealing, but also poised to shine in search engine results. Yet, summing up my escapade, Wix felt like a seasoned guide in the vast wilderness of website creation. Its equilibrium of flexibility and user-friendliness makes it a beacon for both rookies and webmaestros. Amidst a bustling crowd of website builders, Wix, in my eyes, stands tall and unparalleled. Dive in, and perhaps, like me, you'll pen your own digital odyssey. Squarespace. Ever felt like you're standing on the precipice of the digital realm, unsure of where to leap? That was me, until Squarespace beckoned. Join me as I recount my transformative journey with this platform. Navigating the vast sea of website builders, I was on the hunt for something that married sophistication with simplicity. And then, like a lighthouse in the fog, Squarespace emerged, its reputation. A haven for those with dreams of creating an online store. The first thing that struck me was the sheer volume of templates. Over 80, each tailored for a unique purpose. It felt like walking through a digital art gallery. Categories like online stores, art and design, and more guided my exploration. As a copywriter, I naturally gravitated towards the professional services category. Among the 22 templates, the Reedy template caught my eye. And what a delight it was. Squarespace's preview mode was like a virtual tour, allowing me to experience every facet of my future site. But it wasn't just about the visuals. The built-in web analytics was akin to having a personal digital strategist by my side. From tracking visitor interactions to analyzing search queries, it was a treasure trove of insights. And for someone like me, who isn't an SEO expert, Squarespace's features felt like a guiding hand. Security, often an overlooked aspect, was front and center with Squarespace. The free SSL certificates not only ensured my visitors' safety, but also elevated my site's credibility in the eyes of search engines. Setting up felt like a breeze. Within minutes, I had a canvas ready to be painted with my ideas. And if I ever stumbled, Squarespace's support was just an email away. Their swift and insightful response to my logo placement query was a testament to their commitment. Now, let's talk pricing. While there isn't a free plan, the 14-day trial felt like a generous invitation to explore. And by the end, I was convinced that the value Squarespace offered was unparalleled. In conclusion, my tryst with Squarespace was nothing short of transformative. It wasn't just a tool, it was a partner in my digital journey. If you're seeking a platform that's both powerful and intuitive, Squarespace might just be your digital muse. Dive in and let your digital dreams soar.
Jimdo. There I was, knee-deep in my quest to find the perfect website builder. The choices seemed endless, each promising a galaxy of features. But as fate would have it, my journey led me to Jimdo sites, and boy, was I in for a treat. From the get-go, I was hooked. I'm no tech wizard, so the first thing that caught my attention was the ease of use. Jimdo's intuitive interface felt like it was crafted just for me. I could design a website without even a hint of coding. The drag-and-drop feature? A dream. Adding and tweaking elements felt like playing with digital Lego blocks. As someone who's meticulous about design, Jimdo's template options were a delightful surprise. From chic blogs to professional portfolios, it felt like a buffet of aesthetics. And the cherry on top? Each design was mobile responsive, ensuring my website looked fantastic on any device. But here's where things got really exciting. My entrepreneurial spirit had me tinkering with their e-commerce tools. Product listings, secure payment methods, and even inventory tracking. Jimdo had me covered. And considering my dream of going global, the multi-currency support was a definite win. The built-in SEO tools were like having a digital mentor. With Jimdo guiding me, I learned to tweak my content for better search engine visibility. Their social media integrations were the icing on the cake, expanding my site's potential reach. Then, there's the Jimdo Dolphin. This AI-powered marvel seemed straight out of a sci-fi film. I answered a few questions and voila, a personalized site ready in minutes, mind blown. As an occasional blogger, I loved their integrated blogging tool, multimedia support, social sharing, and even a comment section. It felt like Jimdo was reading my mind. And their domain and hosting features? Seamless, from offering free subdomains for rookies like me to simplifying the domain connection process. It was smooth sailing. Diverse audience outreach? Jimdo's multilingual support had that box checked. Their customer support, brimming with helpful articles and a responsive email system, further solidified my fondness. Of course, it wasn't all rainbows. I noticed that for massive online stores, Jimdo's e-commerce might seem basic. And design freedom, while ample, it might not match some top-tier builders out there. Yet, reflecting on my Jimdo journey, the pros heavily outweighed the cons. It's a harmonious fusion of simplicity and professionalism. So, if you've been navigating the vast seas of website builders, looking for that perfect island, drop anchor at Jimdo. It's been a game changer for me, and it might just be for you too.